Hi, welcome to HTCI TV. Thanks for coming to visit us. My name is Greg Toal. I'm a heavy truck specialist, account manager here with Harper Truck Centres. And I welcome you to come in and have a look at our Freightliner, Western Star, or Fuso lineup with products to satisfy your line haul applications or any vocational requirement that you might have. If you have requirements in the highway line haul application, certainly the Cascadia Evolution is the latest, greatest, most economical way to satisfy that requirement. If you're interested in satisfying something unique on the vocational side, whether it be a roll-off application, lugger application, specialty boom requirements, dump trucks, etc., we here at Harper Truck Centres are quite capable of putting together a truck and a proposal for you that satisfies all of the requirements for the application that you have, as well as the legal limit applications that are governed by the rules of Ontario. Please come in. Look forward to meeting you.